Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Slack channel. Need a new space for your project, team or topic? Today I'll show you how to create a new Slack channel in just a few clicks. Just by following these steps, you'll be able to do that. Now let's get started. The first step is to open the Slack application and go to the sidebar. Now before we do that, if you don't already have the application installed on your device, just go, whether you're using your Android device, go to Play Store and search for Slack. Once you find it, just click on install. Now if you're using your iOS device, it's the same, but you're gonna use the App Store to download it. Once the download is finished, click on open and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, click on the plus button here and select channel. Now after you click on add channel at the bottom of your list and click create a channel, the third step is to fill in the channel details. You're gonna choose a channel name, example here, just choose a random. Here you're gonna set the privacy settings. You can choose public, so that anyone in your workspace can join, or private, so only invited people can access the channel. And the fourth step, you can add people by inviting team members right away if you want. And the fifth step is to create the channel by clicking on create. I just did that, and you're ready to start chatting. Now you have a brand new channel for focused conversations. Use clear names to help others understand the channel's purpose, and set rules or pinned messages for big teams. Adding channels helps you organize communication and keep every project flowing smoothly. Stay structured and stay productive. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.